My name is Mark Bekstrom. My current title is Director of Centralized Operations. I've been with Purelight for I'll be at 2 years in July, so about a year and a half. My Purelight story kind of starts back when everything originated. A close friend of mine, Tristan, works here, and he got on board way earlier than I was able to. And so he kind of kept me in the loop constantly. We'd be texting back and forth, calling. And then one day an opportunity opened up for me to start on the post-install team as a PI guy is what we called it, to go out to houses, get customers super excited about their system. And it sounded like a good opportunity, and just talking with him over the years, I got a good picture of like where Purelight was and where they were headed, and I knew I definitely wanted to be a part of that. So before Purelight, I was in management at Best Buy for years. And I had taken a 1 year off from management and went over to the coast to work in like wholesale, business to business, selling to plumbers directly, which was really fun, a really good experience, but it definitely made me miss the valley. I wanted to come back to friends and family. The way I just describe what I do to customers would be making sure that no project gets left behind, and that everyone's project is moving through in a timely manner. And that at the end of the day, constantly trying to optimize our process to make sure it's always as fast as possible. Purelight Power is whatever you want it to be. And by that, I mean, it's the first company I've worked for where the world truly is your oyster. It's the first spot I've been where if you have a good idea, it provides value and you know how to present it properly, it'll happen. So it's really the land of endless opportunities when it comes to what you want in life. It's kind of like if you're willing to reach for it, they're willing to help you get there.